So I'm in the back seat of the 2017 Chevy Malibu, and there's a couple of USB ports back here. And if those ports aren't charging your phone, more than likely it's a blown fuse for these two USB ports. So to get to the fuse for these two USB ports, you have to go to the driver's side of the vehicle, front seat, and underneath the air conditioning vent by the door, there's this little panel here. It's almost impossible to get the panel off with your fingernail. So you need something sharp like a key or a knife blade. I have a knife blade. And you just poke it in here. It doesn't take a whole lot of force just to pull this panel away. And there's a little 5-amp fuse right here. And this is the fuse that powers those two USB ports in the rear of the car. So there are spare fuses in the car and a fuse puller, but they're in the engine compartment. So let's go look at those. So you pop the hood, and on the driver's side in the engine compartment there is this cover, and you pull these two tabs. There's one here and one here, and this cover will come up, and you'll have a fuse puller here, and this little block of fuses right here in the lower corner. They're in the box. They're labeled 50 through 63 are your spare fuses. If you look in the fuse list, they're not listed in here as 50 through 63. So it's 54, 62, 51, 55, and 63. They're not in this list, and these are your spare fuses. So you pull this little fuse puller, pull the 5-amp fuse up, and go replace the one in the driver's side. This block is really painful to get back on. You have to put a lot of force into it to get it to latch. But anyways, it latches, and just replace this fuse. If this doesn't bring your rear USB port back to life, there's something else wrong in the car. More than likely the power module for that USB port in the back is burned out, but this will get you going 99% of the time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I have more videos coming, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.